Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get more views on your YouTube channel if you're using it for affiliate marketing or if you just want to grow your YouTube channel. This is a hack that not many people are teaching, not many people are doing actually. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus, how to download this free ebook on how to get one sign up per day. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for a Leads Leap account, and this is going to work on the pro level only. This is not for the free account. So this is a paid method. If you already have the Leads Leap Pro, then this is perfect for you. And this is one way to utilize it to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel. So this is fantastic. And as you see over here, you have advertising, of course. You have your post, your credit ads, and you'll have your pro ads. So what we're going to be using is our pro ads account. So we'll go over here, click on pro ads, click on add new ad, and you can see here I did a test ad right here. And then some of my other ads. As you can see, I use this system to gain more views on my channel, on my videos. So every time I have a video, I post it over here. But what we're going to do is click on add new ad, and then we're just going to come down here with a title. So we come down here and we post in our URL, which I don't have yet. So let's grab one. Go over here to YouTube and let's just grab this one right here. Control copy. And then we'll come back over here and post our link. So this is assuming that you've already made a YouTube video and you have your link, then this is where you'll post it right here. I also assume that you've already made a banner, or not a banner, a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So we'd use that for the picture. But just in case, we are going to also create one in Canva real quick. So catchy title. What was the catchy title of that video? Earn $700 a day. Automated. Let's go. Copy that. Come over here. Paste it. You can only have 25 characters. So, and down here you can add more text, which you have to have a description here, and you can come in here to more. We'll grab some of this text right here, control copy, and then we'll come back over here and paste it. And I think this might be more than, yeah, that's way too much. So we'll just go back. You can only have 60 characters on this one. CPA marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. Okay, that's a good add text right there. And now we'll come down here to add an image. We can either upload an image if we have one. If not, then we're gonna have to create one. And it's gonna have to be 300 by 250, as you can see right up here. 300 by 250. We'll come back over here to Canva. Create a design. I like to come over here and do custom size. 300 by 250, I already have it plugged in here because I've used it before. And we'll come over here and we will just search our templates, and we'll go down here to money, just type in money and find one that you like. And then let's double click this. We'll just change the text out. Don't like that font, of course. Let's go to, let's get Lotto bold. And then that's probably too much text anyways. Let's grab our headline. $700 automated with CPA. Control copy. We'll come back over here to our design. We'll put it right here. And then we'll change that to Lotto also. And we're gonna move that over. Get rid of this box. We don't need that. And we're gonna do a little effect on here. Go over here to effects, come over here to splice. Don't want an offset. We do want the thickness pretty big. And then let's go with the white as the inside. Let's go with red actually on the inside. And then click on effects again, and then come down here. Thickness. I do have it quite thick. That's maybe too thick. Direction, you don't need any direction on that. And then let's just increase the size quite a bit. Stretch our box. Let's see, we want to go bigger than that actually. There we go. And then we want to actually decrease the line spacing so it's a little bit closer, looks good. And actually we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this. Oh, I don't know why that. Let's increase this. What we're going to do is get rid of that. We're gonna put a new button in there. We're just gonna come over here to Elements, create a button, and put one in there. See if we can change that color on there to green. And then we're gonna put a text. Come here, grab one of these small text. Make it smaller. Watch video. Bring it down here. Change the color on that. We want it contrasting. $700 days automated with CPA. All right, good enough. I would tweak this a little bit more if I was going to, actually use this ad, but we're not going to, so that looks decent right now. And we are going to hit the share button and download this. There we go, downloaded. Come back over here to Leads Leap. We're gonna upload the image. There it is. Okay, perfect. Hit the check mark, and there we go. So we have our ad right here. The only other thing we need to do is, so you click standard here, click the option of standard ad, and then you submit it. It will ask you for a category. That's all we need to do. We need to select a category. Let's say affiliate marketing or make money online. Let's see if they have that. More categories. I usually use internet marketing, home business. Let's go with home business. You can use home business or affiliate marketing. One caveat on this is that this technique is the best for make money online or home businesses, because that's the people that are going to be seeing this ad. So in the Leads Leap platform, most of the people in here are make money online. So these are the people that are going to be reading your ads. They're going to be the ones clicking on your ads and then watching your videos. So if you're in this niche, that's the best. This is the best technique for that niche. Okay, save and submit. Okay, so it's been submitted. So this is our actual, let's see. We can click on it and see where it goes, and it leads right over to the video here. Earn $700 with automatic CPA. So this is a fantastic way to get more followers, get more views on your videos, and get more clicks, of course. So the bonus I was telling you about, I am going to put a link for this book right here. This is to get one new sign up per day. It'll show you how to do that. It's a free link. It'll be in the description. So just click on that below. If you like this content, please subscribe and comment below and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video.